Children, let us continue the chapter triangle. You learned that the ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles are same. Now let us discuss the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Here there is a theorem to state that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now here take two triangles which are similar, and similar means you know that their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now to prove this theorem, what is given here? It is given that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangle. We are given here, let us prove. We are given two triangles ABC and PQR such that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and if they are similar means you know that their corresponding sides are in proportion and their corresponding angles are equal. That is understood here. Now what we have to prove? We need to prove that what you have to prove? Their areas are in the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So we need to prove that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to, here which are the corresponding sides? You can take AB and PQ. So you can write AB square by PQ square. And also two more pairs of corresponding sides are there. And let us take BC and QR is second pair of corresponding sides. So it is equals to BC square by QR square is equals to CA square by RP square. Or you can write this in the form AB by PQ whole square and BC by QR whole square, and also it is CA by RP whole square. You can also write that like this way. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square is equals to BC by QR whole square is equals to CA by RP whole square, or you can write AB square by PQ square is equals to BC square by QR square is equals to CA square by RP square. And to prove this, here you must take the formula for the area of the triangles. You know what is the formula to find the area of the triangle? That is, area of triangle is equals to half into B into H. So you take area of triangle ABC here. Area of triangle ABC, that is equals to half into B into H. Here let us have the base BC and height is required means we have to draw the altitude here. So okay, you take here the altitudes for the triangle AB, that is So let us have here AM is the altitude, and for triangle PQR let us have PN is the altitude. And here for triangle ABC, here we have taken the base is BC. So let us write the base is BC here, BC, and the altitude is AM. So half into B into H, half into base into altitude, that is half into BC into AM. Next, for triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR is equals to, that is again half into B into H. Here B is QR, H is, that is PN. So you take that. So half into QR into PN you write. QR into PN. That is half into QR into PN. So you got the area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle PQR. Now you write the ratio. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to, in the numerator you write the area of the triangle ABC, that is half into BC into AM. Here you write half into QR into PN. Now here half cancels. What you are going to get? That is BC into AM by QR into PN here. QR into PN. So you consider this is first ratio you got in terms of the product BC into AM by QR into PN you got here. Take triangles ABM and triangle PQN and prove that they are similar. By using any one of the similarity criterion, you prove that triangle ABM and triangle PQN are similar triangles. And here you write the names of the triangle ABM and triangle PQN. Here you have in triangle AMB, or you write in triangle AMB and triangle PNQ, right? Angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? As triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. You know that the corresponding angles of the similar triangles are equal here. Corresponding angles of the similar triangles are equal. Therefore, you can write angle B is equals to angle Q. That is indirectly it is given here. Next you write angle AMB. You know that as AM is perpendicular to BC, angle AMB is 90 degree, and also in triangle PQR, PN is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, angle PNQ is also equals to 90 degree. So you write angle AMB is equals to angle PNQ. Both are equals to 90 degree. That is the construction we mean in such a way that construction is made as AM perpendicular to BC and PN is perpendicular to QR. So you can write, therefore triangle AMB is similar to triangle PNQ here. PN Q. So which similarity criterion you got here? AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Then once you got that, here triangle AMB is similar to triangle PNQ means their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Corresponding ratio of the corresponding sides are equal here. Therefore, you can write AM by PN is equals to, right? AM by PN is equals to, you can write AB by PQ. AB by PQ. Why it is? Because the ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. That you can reason here. So you consider this is second, and here you have taken first. You write it as first. This is second. The reason is, what is the reason? Corresponding sides of the ratio of corresponding sides. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. So you got AM by PN is equals to AB by PQ, as you proved that triangle AMB is similar to triangle PNQ. Now also it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Also triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is given here. As triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, can have their corresponding sides are in same ratio. So you write AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. That is AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. That is, reason you know, the ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal here. Now you consider this is third one. Now here AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR, and also it must be equals to AM by PN. You know that here AM by PN is equals to AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. Here this is equals to this, means this must be equals to this, also equals to this, AC by PR. So you can have this BC by QR into AM by PN in terms of AB by PQ, in terms of AB by PQ here. So you can write here BC by QR into AM by PN as AB by PQ into AB by PQ. From first you had that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to BC by QR into AM by PN. Now in the place of BC by QR you write AB by PQ. You write AB by PQ here. So right, this is AB by PQ and you write AM by PN here. Here in the place of BC by QR, you wrote AB by PQ. That is from first and third it is. From first and third you wrote this. That is here in the place of BC by QR you wrote AB by PQ. Here AB by PQ into AM by PN you got here. Now also you know that AM by PN is equals to AB by PQ. AB by PQ and AM by PN are equal. From second you can write both are AB by PQ into AB by PQ. Both are here AB by PQ. So here it becomes, that is from second it is. That is from second. Now here it becomes AB by PQ into AB by PQ, it becomes AB by PQ the whole square. AB by PQ whole square. Therefore you can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square is equals to AB by PQ is also equals to BC by QR. So you can write BC by QR whole square. That is also is equals to AC by PR. That also you can write AC by PR whole square. So in short you can write AR triangle ABC by AR triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square is equals to BC by QR whole square is equals to AC by PR whole square. In this way you prove that area of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides. That is, what is the statement here? Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. You got the result here. So, if two triangles are similar means their areas are proportional to the squares on their corresponding sides.